My name is Senior Airman Jacob Twasha, and I work for the 332nd Security Forces Squadron. So security forces in general is to protect and defend, to enable Air Force joint and coalition missions. But my specific job is to work in the MATV as a 240 gunner Bravo. And as a 240 gunner, you always have to be prepared to jump on the fly in no time in order to defend the base, including assets, people, and whatever the emergency may be. In the future, I do plan to work for a governmental agency. With my Arabic skills and being security force members, I know that I can be at the top of their priority in terms of working for the government, such as either FBI, CIA, whatever agency is willing to accept me and to be a part of something greater. The favorite aspect of my job is not only being there for people when they need help, obviously, but it's a networking and connections too. Since I can speak Arabic, and whenever I'm overseas in a Middle Eastern base, I can get to know people from all different walks of life, and being a part of that is really great, and it's an amazing perspective of life. What makes me so proud of my job and being with the 332nd is that if you look at the history and the heritage of the 332nd, it was the first African-American pilots. Well, not too many people that join the military are first-generation Arab American, and I'm one of the few in my family to sign the dotted line and actually be a part of something great.